Hello everyone, very warm welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel Study at Home. You have very well read on the thumbnail of the video that you will not be able to sell shares of YES Bank for another 3 years period in respect of your holding on 13th March 2020. Today is 16th March 2020 and government, in order to give execution to reconstruction plan of YES Bank, has decided that they are going to block your 75% holding of YES Bank as on 13th March 2020. But this will only be in respect of shareholder holding 100 or more shares of YES Bank. Suppose you hold 100 shares on 13th March 2020, your 75% share, that is 75 shares, would be blocked for 3 years period and you will not be able to sell that. Suppose you have 1000 shares as on 13th March 2020, you will not be able to sell 750 shares. However, the remaining 250 shares would be freely transferable, that would be freely sellable. This condition will not apply to those shareholders who are holding less than 100 shares. So if you have 99 shares as on 13th March 2020, none of the shares would be blocked. Your entire shares are freely transferable, sellable. But all those shares which you are buying on or after 16th March, remember, all those shares which you are buying on or after 16th March 2020, those shares would be freely transferable, they will not be blocked. So if you open your Demat account and you find that it's showing lesser number of shares as compared to what you have purchased, don't be worried, right? Download your entire holding, download your entire portfolio from your Demat account. You will find that you have the exact number of shares which you have purchased. But in front of your trading account, the entire shares won't be visible. It would be only 75% of shares that would be visible in your trading account, right? I'll just present the government notification in front of you. This is the notification from Ministry of Finance with respect to YES Bank. And I'm reading out the second paragraph of this notification. Your attention be drawn to clause 3 subsection 8 of the said notification, wherein shares to the extent of 75% held by existing shareholder as on the date of commencement of the said scheme, that is 13th March 2020, that is the last Friday, shall be locked in for a period of 3 years. 3 साल के लिए lock. The same shall not apply to any shareholder holding less than 100 shares. Right, everyone? So do not be worried in respect of those shares which you are buying from 16th March and onwards. Those shares are freely transferable, those shares are freely sellable. But in respect of holding which you have on 13th March, 75% shares have been blocked and you will not be able to sell for another period of 3 years. Hope this information was useful to everyone, and if you have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel and like our videos in order to encourage me to bring more videos, more such videos for you. Also share with your known ones in order to help them understand that the shares of YES Bank has not all of a sudden got invisible. It's still there, but it's not visible in front of your trading account as because you will not be able to trade with that. Bye bye everyone. Thank you so much.